Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am mohammedadnant, and in this video we are going to discuss all about the tables in paginated report, that is SSRS SQL Server Reporting Service. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. This is the Report Builder 3.0. You can download it from Microsoft website. And previously I made a video about how to get data into this report builder and how you can publish it to your Power BI service. If you haven't seen that, just click on the links given on the top of your screen. Now coming back to this one, after adding the data tables into dataset in SSRS, if you go to this insert tab, you will find this table, matrix and list. Today we will cover this table area. There are two options available here, table wizard or insert table. We'll go one by one. For table wizard, just click on that. It will open a dialog box stating that you need to select the data set. Okay, if you want to create a new one, you can create it from here as well. I'm just selecting the existing data set. Click next, and on the left side it will list out all the columns available on the data set. You need to drag and drop the field which you want to be on the column, rows and the values. If you put it on column and rows, it will convert it into a matrix table. If you need only the values on the rows, you can even do that. Say for example, issue number, I need the date, or even the store name as well, right? So just you can even insert it in the between if you want, and even you can drag and drop it here anywhere if you want. So click next. The value field must contain at least one field, that is this one, because you're using this wizard, right? So you need to select the values here. As of now, I want to select as sum of quantity here. I am just removing this one here. If you want to remove this one, you can just put it on here. You can just click again and then put it on the left side. It just removes the quantity column. So click next, and then it will ask you to choose the layout. If you choose the layout to show the subtotals and grand totals, you can place them above or below the group. Step reports shows hierarchical structure. I mean, there are three kinds of structure for this report. One is show the subtotal and grand totals, block subtotals below. You can see it and the preview here. Block subtotals above. The subtotal will go up. Yeah, it goes up. Step subtotal above. So it just create other steps. If you want the expand and collapse button, you can even enable this one. As of now, I don't want to enable these two. So I'm just unchecking it. It just gives me data in one line. Click next, and then choose a style. You can select the multiple styles available here. The generic is a plain white and black, and these are the few they have given. Click finish. It just brings the data on top of your page. You can just select it and then move it wherever you can, and then click on the run to have a preview of it. It just loads the data, job, work, issue, date, item name, rate and quantity. That's it from the table wizard. Now let's go and create a manual table. So go to insert, click on tables and insert table. It will give a plus icon. You can just click anywhere and then drag and drop. By default it will give you 3 headers and 3 rows, 2 rows. You just, if you go to one cell, it gives in this icon, click on that. If it is only one dataset available, then it loads all the columns in that dataset. If there are 2 or 3 available, then first of all you need to select the dataset and then you need to select the column name, issue number, and then click again, issue date, and then again item name, and you need to click on right click to insert a column or delete a column or column visibility, and then table properties. So now I need to insert a column to the left of the item name or the right. It is actually in the right. If you want to add a column on the left side, you can even do that. Right click and delete column. Okay. So I need three more columns. One is for quantity, one is for rate, and other is for value. You can even rename these headers. Double click on that. You can type it whatever you can. There is no value here, so I'm just deleting this one. Delete column, and then I want to add one more column here as a store name. Let's have a look at the preview here. Click on the run from the home tab. It gives you the data. Now let's have a look at the formatting options available for the tables. Click on the table. It just looks like the Excel spreadsheet. And one of the major I really like in SSRS paginated report is a table. And if you extract the report to Excel or Excel, it just gives each and every information in each and every cell. That's the beauty of this paginated report in SSRS. Right click on this one and then click on table properties. It just gives these options: general, the name of the table, tooltip, and then data type which is used in this table, and then page break. Add a page break before, after, keep it together is as usual for everything. Then visibility, show, hide, or table, or you can even toggle this one. And if you want to specifically filter the data inside this table, you can even do that. Click on add, click on any of it. Say for example, quantity should be greater than or equal to, I just want to put it as less than or equal to 50. Click OK. And then if you want to add a sorting method, you can even do that from here. Click on add, sort by field, by issue date, from A to Z or Z to A. Click on home and run. Okay, the next thing is the cell formatting and the row header formatting. So click on any of the cell, and if you look at this one on the right side, the properties, each and every cell is a separate text box when it comes to SSRS table. You can customize each and every cell however you can. Say for example, if you want to highlight the headers, you can just click on the row on the left side and then right click, insert row, delete row, and row visibility, and then Tablex property. So once you select this one, it just gives an option available for the row. The border color, you can change it from here or from here. This is the base color, and then if you click on the borders, you can click it here. If you want to change the font size, you just need to select the table and then select the font, and also the alignment. However you can, and you can even format for each and every cell. Say for example, if you want to format the date here, so right click and then the text box properties. If you go to this number and then date, custom, I want it to be dd hyphen mmm hyphen yyyy. So click OK, and then home run. Issue number, date, store, item name, quantity, and rate. If you notice this, these are available in the 2 3 rows, and these are available in single rows. This is why, because if you click on this one, it has an option called can grow. So if you want to increase, you can increase this one, or if you want to be static, then it will hide the rest of the character. I'm just clicking on false and then home and run. If you look at this, it just hides the rest of the value. We'll walk through on the text box property in another video. So that's it for the tables as of now. I hope you got a brief idea about all about the tables in the paginated report, that is SSRS. If you like this video, please click on the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, Click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on our devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you have any queries and feedback, post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.